Is it almost lunchtime? I am starting to get really hungry. My stomach has been rumbling for the last 20 minutes.
I know what you mean, Mark. I am looking at the clock every 2 minutes. It feels like this morning has been very long. I am definitely ready for a break.
Me too. This morning was full of meetings. I did not have a chance to even get a coffee, so a proper break is exactly what I need. Do you have any plans for your lunch break?
I have not really thought about it yet. I was so focused on finishing this report. Usually, I just eat at my desk, but today I feel like I need to get away from my screen for a little while.
I completely agree. We should not eat at our desks today. It is important to step away and clear your head. It helps make the afternoon more productive.
You are absolutely right. A change of scenery is always a good idea. Did you bring a lunch from home today? I have a salad that I prepared this morning.
I did not bring anything today. I had no time this morning. I was thinking of going out to grab something. Actually, I was hoping we could go somewhere together, since it's Friday.
Oh, I see. Well, I do have my salad here. I feel a bit bad wasting it. It has fresh avocado in it, and that will not be good tomorrow.
I understand. You do not have to waste it. You could save it for Monday, couldn't you? Or maybe have it as a small snack later this afternoon if you get hungry again.
That is a good point. I could put it back in the office refrigerator. It would probably be okay for one more day. I am a little tempted to go out. What did you have in mind?
I have an exciting idea. You know that new little restaurant that opened on the corner of Schiller Street? The one that used to be a bookstore. I walked past it yesterday, and it looked really nice inside.
The new place on the corner? I think I saw it. It has a blue and white sign, right? I did not know what kind of food they served. It looked quite busy when I passed by.
Yes, that's the one. It's a Thai restaurant. It is called Bangkok Kitchen. The menu they posted outside looked amazing. It had all the classic dishes, like pad thai, green curry, and tom yum soup.
Oh, I love Thai food. That is a very tempting offer. A warm bowl of green curry sounds perfect right now. I really like the mix of spicy and sweet flavors in Thai cooking.
Me too. It is one of my favorite cuisines. The restaurant looked very clean and modern, with nice wooden tables. It did not look like a typical fast food place. It seemed like a proper place to sit and have a nice meal.
A proper sit-down meal sounds much better than eating a sandwich at my desk. Is it very expensive? I do not want to spend too much money on lunch.
I looked at their lunch menu online this morning. They have a special lunch offer. You can get a main dish, like curry or noodles, plus a spring roll for a very reasonable price. It is not expensive at all.
A lunch special is a great deal. That makes it much more affordable. Did you see any reviews of the place? Since it is so new, I wonder if the food and service are good.
That is a smart question. Yes, I did. I looked it up on a local food blog. The review was excellent. The writer said it was the most authentic Thai food they have had in our city.
Wow, a review like that is very convincing. It is always a good sign when a food blogger gives a new restaurant a positive review. They are usually very critical and honest.
Exactly. The blogger especially recommended the green curry. They said it was perfectly spicy and creamy. They also said the staff was incredibly friendly and welcoming, which is always important.
Good service makes a huge difference. There is nothing worse than going to a restaurant with good food, but rude staff. It can ruin the whole experience.
I totally agree. A friendly smile can make your meal so much more enjoyable. The review also mentioned that the restaurant uses very fresh ingredients. They have a small open kitchen so you can actually see the chefs cooking.
An open kitchen is fantastic. It shows that they are confident about their cleanliness and their cooking methods. It is also fun to watch the chefs at work. They are often so fast and skillful.
Okay, I think I have convinced you your salad does not stand a chance against a fresh, authentic Thai curry, does it? Especially not on a Friday.
You are right. You have definitely convinced me. I will put my sad little salad in the fridge for Monday. Friday is a day for a special treat. A nice lunch out is a perfect way to celebrate the end of the work week.
That's the spirit. I think so too. It gives you something to look forward to and helps you get through the last few hours of the afternoon. So, Bangkok Kitchen it is.
Yes, I am officially excited now. I am already thinking about what to order. The pad thai noodles also sound really good. Maybe we can each order something different and share a little bit.
That is a brilliant idea. If you get the green curry, I will get the pad thai. That way, we can try two different dishes. I love sharing food. It makes the meal more of a social experience.
Perfect. It's a plan then. Thank you for suggesting this, Mark. It is a much better plan than just eating at my desk alone.
You are very welcome, Sarah. I also prefer having company for lunch. Do you usually bring a packed lunch from home every day? You seem very organized. I try to bring my lunch most days, maybe 3 or 4 times a week. It saves a lot of money over the month. Also, I know exactly what is in my food, so I can make sure it is healthy. That is a very good habit. I should try to do that more often. I am a bit lazy in the mornings, so I usually just buy something. But buying lunch every day can get very expensive. It really does add up. But sometimes, like today, it is nice to have the freedom to just go out and buy what you feel like eating. It is all about balance, I think. I guess so. And a healthy salad is great, but sometimes your brain just needs a warm, comforting plate of noodles. So, what about you? Do you ever eat in the company cafeteria?
I used to eat in the cafeteria more often when I first started working here. It is very convenient because you do not have to leave the building.
Yes, the location is the best part. But what do you think of the food there? I have not been in a long time.
To be honest, I find the food a little boring. They have the same 5 or 6 options every single week.
After a while, you get tired of eating the same things. The quality is okay, but it is not exciting.
I know exactly what you mean. I feel the same way. I ate their Wiener Schnitzel one time, and it was quite dry. A dry schnitzel is a very sad thing here in Austria.
It certainly is. I agree. The cafeteria is fine if you are in a big hurry, but it does not feel like a real break. It feels like you are still at work. Going to a real restaurant feels completely different.
It really does. It helps you disconnect from work mode. So, a 1 hour lunch break should be enough time for us to walk to the restaurant, eat, and come back.
Yes, I think so. The restaurant is only a 5-minute walk from here. We should have plenty of time. I also have one small errand to run during the break. I need to go to the post office.
Oh, is the post office nearby? I know there is one next to the big supermarket. Is that the one you mean?
Yes, that's the one. It is on the same street as the Thai restaurant, just a little further down. I just need to mail a small package. It should only take a few minutes.
That is perfect timing. We can eat our lunch first. Then, on our way back to the office, you can stop at the post office. I can wait for you, or I can just meet you back here.
That sounds like a great plan. Eating first is a good idea. I am too hungry to think about anything else right now. Thank you. That is very nice of you to offer to wait.
Of course, it is no problem at all. We are going in the same direction. So, what time should we go? It is almost 12 o'clock now. Are you ready to go soon?
I need about 30 more minutes to finish this one task. I want to send this email before I go. How about we meet at 12:30?
12:30 works perfectly for me. That gives me time to organize my desk and make a quick phone call. Where should we meet? By the main elevators?
Yes, let's meet by the elevators on our floor at 12:30. This is going to be a wonderful lunch break. I am really looking forward to it.
Me too. It is going to be the highlight of my day. Okay, I will see you at 12:30 then. Try not to think about curry too much for the next 30 minutes.